Hi Neet Aspirants, welcome to Vari Medical Academy. Vari Medical Academy சார்பாக அனைத்து விதமான டாபிக் சார்ந்த ஒவ்வொரு வீடியோவும் இனி வரும் நாட்களில் உங்களுக்கு வரும். உங்களுக்கு இதை சார்ந்த சந்தேகங்கள், கேள்விகள் எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் கமெண்ட்ஸில் பாஸ் பண்ணுங்கள். எங்கள் எக்ஸ்பர்ட் ஃபேக்கல்ட்டி மெம்பர்ஸ் போடுற வீடியோஸ் பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா ஷேர் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அந்த வீடியோ ரெகுலராக உங்களுக்கு வரணும்னா சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தேங்க்யூ. Wish you all the best.
Now we can discuss about the anatomy of small intestine and large intestine. Okay. So the small intestine, okay, the small intestine, it is the longest part of the alimentary canal. It is the longest part of alimentary canal. Okay, alimentary canal. Okay, so it is divided into three parts. Okay. Its first part, it is a duodenum, and second, it is called as a jejunum, and third one is a ileum. Okay, it is for the long coiled, okay, coiled portion. Then it is a highly coiled portion. Okay, coiled portions. Okay, so in this, you know that a small intestine, it is for likewise, it is a small intestine part. Okay, so this small intestine part it's connected through here. It start with them, no. So it is a pancreatic duct. It is a pancreatic duct. Okay, so this pancreatic duct, and here you can for the hepatic, it is a hepatic layers. Hepatic means a liver. So here it's connected with a one layer. It is called hepatopancreatic duct. It is called as a hepatopancreatic duct. Okay, it connected with this for liver and pancreas and the small intestine. Okay, and here this one sphincter is present. That sphincter is called a sphincter of OD. The sphincter of OD. Sorry. Okay, the sphincter of OD. Yes. And here this ileum. And ileum can be connected with a large intestine. The ileum connected with large intestine. Okay, so here this one sphincter is there, that is called ileocecal wall. Ileocecal wall. So it is prevent the backflow of the fecal matter. Okay, the backflow of fecal matter. So it is a small intestines. Okay, it is the largest part of alimentary canal. Okay, it can be divided into three major parts. One is the duodenum and jejunum and the ileum. Okay, the jejunum is a coiled portion. Ileum is a highly coiled portions. Okay, so and this absorption part. Okay, the absorption of nutrients happens in the small intestine. Okay, so here in between them, in this pancreatic and liver, they have one duct is present. They called as a hepatopancreatic duct. Okay, they called as a hepatopancreatic duct. And here one sphincter is present. That sphincter is called the sphincter of OD. They called as the sphincter of OD. Okay, and here the ileum is the large intestine. It connected to the large intestine. That part, the one sphincter is present. That's called ileocecal wall. So it is prevent the backflow of the fecal matter in the small intestine, into the small intestine. The prevention is very important. Okay, so it is a anatomical structure of the small intestine. Now we can see the large intestine. Okay, so the large intestine has been divided into three parts: colon, cecum, and rectum. Okay, colon, cecum, and rectum. So it is okay, colon, cecum, and the rectum. Okay, so that is colon, and the cecum is first. The cecum, it has have the symbiotic bacteria. Okay, is a symbiotic bacteria. The cecum layer is it is a cecum layer means, okay, cecum. It begin with the large intestine. Here it is a vermiform appendix is present. Okay, vermiform appendix is present. Okay, it is a tonsil. It is a tonsil. So what mean by tonsil? It is act as a immunological function. Okay, it is act as the immunological functions. Okay, immunological functions. Yes. So this vermiform, it is a vestigious organ like that. Okay. Then, and the cecum, we start with them. The cecum is contain a symbiotic bacteria. Okay, the cecum contain a symbiotic bacteria. Okay, that bacteria it's called Escherichia coli. Okay, it is a digestive bacteria. Okay, the digestive bacteria. So it is cecum. Then the next one, the colon. Okay, the next one is a colon. The next one is a colon. Here, okay, the colon, it has ascending colon and transverse and descending colon and sigmoid. Okay, ascending colon and descending colon and the transverse colon and the sigmoid. Okay, so here you know that it is start with ascending மேலே ஏறுறது transverse and it is a descending colon, then they get a sigmoid. Okay, so these are a large intestine parts. So here in this colon have this the bulging like structure, they called as a hastoria. That's called as the hastoria. Okay, that's the bulging like structure. This like you can give this like structure is called as the hastoria. Okay, the hastoria. Then this colon have this 3 types of muscle. It's there. Its colite is there. It's called tinea coli. They call it as a tinea coli. Okay, that's called as a tinea coli. So, okay, and the sigmoids, tinea coli. Okay, 3 muscles is there, and it is a ascending colon, transverse colon, and descending colon, and the sigmoids. Okay, is present in the colon region. Then it is connected with the anal canal. It's connected with the anal canal. Okay, it's connected with the anal canal. This anal canal that is a sphincter. Okay, it is connected with the rectum muscle. Okay, so this rectum have the internal sphincter, then external sphincter. So this internal sphincter is made up of smooth muscles. Then external sphincter, it's striped muscles. Okay, and here it is used, it's secretion of the mucus. Okay, this colon has the secretion of the mucus for the lubrication of fecal matter. Okay, the lubrication of the fecal matter. And there is no physiological effect of this large intestine. There is a physiological effect. No, large intestine means there is no absorption. So little bit absorption is there. So it can absorb the water molecules and some kind of minerals and water molecules and minerals and some kind of drugs. also absorbed in the large intestine part. Is also absorbed in the large intestine part. So these are as a anatomical structure of small intestine and large intestine. Okay, and thank you.